So this is for our snacks in the trip. Hello, welcome to another video of traveling. In this video I am going to take you through one of the most beautiful hill stations in South India. This trip had almost everything: forest, mountains, lakes, tea plantations and toy train ride. Now when I say this, you already know the place I am talking about. Welcome to Ooty. Getting to Ooty is simple. Wherever you are in Telangana, just take a bus or train to Mysore, have Mysore style food and then take a ticket to Ooty from Mysore bus stop. Don't forget to get the window seat because the bus cuts through Bandipur forest for more than 2 hours. Let the bus be your safari. I just woke up and it's 7 o'clock in the morning and we are in Bangalore railway station. I think we'll need more than a couple of hours to reach Mysore in train. Hi Pavani. ఇంకెప్పుడు దిగుదాం రా మైసూర్లో? And this is the situation in the train. Pavani irukkupoyindi. Bye. So we are in Mysore now. You can freshen up in Mysore and you can go visit the iconic Mysore Palace and explore the Mysore city on day one, or you can also do the same on your return journey. The travel time from Mysore to Ooty takes around 4 hours and night journeys are not allowed in this route considering we are traveling through the Bandipur forest. So plan accordingly. The highlight of this road journey is passing through the Bandipur forest. We get to see the real wildlife. I spotted deer, peacocks, and if you are really lucky like me, you'll spot many elephants. The winding forest roads will make you feel like the adventure has already begun. This is my second time in Ooty. Okay, I'll show you guys my outfit. It's so good. Okay, so there is so much wind. Okay, so this is my second time in Ooty and the first time I came with Travels, and this time also I came with Travels, and we are a group of 9 members who came together. And guess what? I am sitting in the same place in the minibus which I sat when I first visited Ooty. So these are some of the small things I remember when I traveled to the same place again. We visited shooting spot first this time. The views were cinematic and it already makes you feel like you are in a different movie set. When I last visited Ooty for the first time, we went to Needle Rock viewpoint first. Standing here, you get 360-degree views of the Nilgiris and endless greenery. It feels like the clouds are right below your feet. And then we visited Paikara boating. This place is calm and serene. I even went boating here, which was super relaxing. And then last we visited shooting point. The sequences of the places you want to visit depends upon the area of stay you are going to have at night, because these places we will be visiting along the route from Mysore to Ooty. So depending upon the area of stay, like if you are staying in Ooty, Mettupalayam or Kunur, so based on the area of the stay, visit these places. Exploring Ooty in the mornings. It's so much cold, so windy, drizzling, and we are exploring Ooty in the morning. The weather is nice, but we are shivering. I'll show you.
We finally found temple.
Yeah, we are going to temple in the morning. Here it's Saturday. Jai Hanuman.
Jai Hanuman.
Now we know why people come here in summers and not in rainy season and winters. On day 2 we went to Doddabetta Peak. The views from here were also breathtaking, but I felt like it was so much crowded when I went there. This place can be enjoyed and experienced more when it's less crowded. It's my personal opinion. And then came the most iconic Ooty experience, toy train ride. This toy train ride is recognized as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. When I was traveling in this train, I felt like I was in some fairy tale. All the ticket pricing information and the timings are available in IRCTC website. Obviously, I was traveling with friends, so we made so much fun. We danced and laughed all our journey. After the toy train ride, we still have half more day on day 2. So either we can go see tea plantations, relax, or we can also go for small hikes in Ooty or Kunur, because there are many hidden spots for hikes in Ooty and Kunur. the one and only place all my friends are waiting for is this tea plantation.
This tea plantation, we are waiting eagerly 2 days.
From
Now
2
it's
days.
came.
Yes, now they are happy in this
Now
whole
they're happy
trip.
taking more pictures.
More pictures and videos. Okay, come Sadhana.
And she is Sadhana. She is eagerly waiting for sleeping.
No, she's waiting for photos.
No, she is waiting for promos.
Okay, that is Lakshmi. She's coming. Come.
She is what to do, what not to do, we
Okay.
don't know.
I think this place you liked it very much, right?
Yes, so much. Look at those clouds. We are like flying.
Video.
It's tea time, guys. It's tea time. Okay, na? Hello. Namaste. We also trying to.
How much progress? It didn't come when we were there. It's coming there. On last day, you can go visit nearby tea factories and see how the tea powder is made from the tea leaves. Also do lots of shopping for oils, soaps, tea powders and all. Lastly, get back to Mysore before your train or bus timing. I hope you like my videos and do give a little effort on my videos like subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, because that gives me motivation to do more travel videos. Thank you and happy traveling. Bye bye.